Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing very well. Welcome to our math class for your homework. Remember your homework from yesterday. So you were responsible for page 311 and page 312. Right now we will solve these two pages together. Okay, if you are ready, let's start. Let's read the first question together. It says, Ming divided 35 marbles between 7 different friends. Each friend received the same number of marbles. How many marbles did Ming give to each friend? So, it's already given here. If you want, you can use division, and remember, division and multiplication, they are inverse operations. So, while doing division, actually you are doing multiplication. Always remember this. So, he has 35 marbles. If he wants to divide it between 7 friends, in this situation I need to divide these marbles by 7. 35 divided by 7, or 7 times what equal 35? Okay, good job, 5. So your answer will be 5. What about question 2? It says Mrs. Connor has 16 shoes. Select one number from each column to show the division equation represented by the picture. So, I know in total there are 16 shoes. 16 divided by what? Remember this. If you want, you can do 16 divided by the number of groups, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I cannot write 8 here as divisor, because as divisor 1, 2, 4 and 16 given to me. In this situation I need to write how many shoes they put for each group. How many shoes here? 1, 2. So my divisor will be 2. Good job. What about my quotient? 16 divided by 2 equal what? Or 2 times what equals 16? How can I find it? If you want, you can check the picture. So your quotient will equal to the number of groups. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your quotient will be 8. So it means 16 divided by 2 equal 8. Right? Good job. Okay, let's check question 3. It says 20 boys are going camping. They brought 5 tents, like you see in this picture. So, an equal number of boys sleep in each tent. How many boys will sleep in each tent? What should I do here? Which operation do I need to use? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? You already know all these operations. So right now I know in total how many boys? 20 boys. In total, how many tents they have? 5 tents. And it say an equal number of boys sleep in each tent. So in this situation, I know in total there are 20 boys and there are 5 tents. How can I find how many boys sleep in each tent? I need to do division, right? 20 divided by 5, or 5 times what equal 20? It will equal to 4. So 4 boys will sleep in each tent. Good job. Let's check question 4. Please open page 312. Let's read the question together. It says, circle a number for the unknown factor and quotient that makes the equation true. Okay, let's check the equation. 4 times what equals to 28? How can I find it? 4 times what equals 28? Good job, 7. What about division? 28 divided by 4 equal what? 7. Remember, I use same numbers. 4, 7, 28. 4, 7, 28. Remember, multiplication and division, they are inverse operations. Good job. Okay, right now let's check question 5. Mrs. Walters has 30 markers. She gives each student 10 markers. how many students received the markers? So, while doing division, if you want, you can use subtraction, right? It's already given here as subtraction. Write a division equation to represent the repeated subtraction. First of all, for dividend, what should I write? I always need to write the biggest number given to me. Which one is biggest here? 30, right? So, as my dividend, I need to write 30. So, my dividend always should be the biggest number. What about my divisor? How many markers she gives for each student? It represents this one. How many markers in this step? In each step, she gives 10 markers for each student. So, my divisor will be 10. What about my quotient? My quotient represents the steps of subtraction. How many steps? 1, 2, 3. How many times we subtracted? 3 times. So 30 divided by 10 equal 3. If you want, you can use how to divide by 10. Don't see these zeros because both of them has zeros. So you can erase them. 3 divided by 1. If you divide a number by 1, remember, so your quotient will be always the same number, 3. So your quotient will be equal to 3. Good job. What about question 6? It says, complete the chart to show the quotients. 27 divided by 9 equal what? Good job, 3. Or 9 times 3 equals 27. If you want, you can use multiplication. 36 divided by 9 or 9 times what equal 36? Good job, 4. What about 45 divided by 9 or 9 times what equal 45? 5. Good job. What about 54 divided by 9 or 9 times what equal 54? 6. Good job. Okay, let's check question 7 together. Let's read it first. For numbers from 7a till 7e, select true or false for each equation. So, let's check the first one. 12 divided by 6 equal 2. It's right or wrong? 6 times 2 equal 12? Yes, it's true. What about this? 24 divided by 6 equals 3. Or 3 times 6 equal 24. It's right or wrong? It's wrong because I know 24 divided by 6 equal 4. But it say 3, so it means this is false. Okay, next question. 30 divided by 6 equals 6. Or 6 times 6 equal 30. True or false? So, I know 30 divided by 6 equal 5 because 5 times 6 equal 30. But in the question 6 is given to me. In this situation it will be false. It should be equal to 5. What about 42 divided by 6 equals 7? Or 7 times 6 equal 42. It's right or wrong? Perfect. It's true. What about 48 divided by 6 equal 8? Or 8 times 6 equal 48. Right or wrong? Perfect. It will be true. Good job. Thank you so much. Take care of you.